Okay, hello Cloud Gurus, and welcome to this lab on custom mode VPCs. But actually, this lab goes beyond just the custom mode VPCs and gets a little bit more practical, and that makes me happy. I like it when things come together in a way that you can actually use. Okay, to start off with, log into the console with your user account and select your networking project. You can also open up Cloud Shell and have it in a background tab just to have it around for later. Well, alright, when you're ready, I'll see you in the console. So here we are in the console, and I have the Networking Playground project selected, and if I switch tabs, here's my Cloud Shell. Now to start off with, I just want a clean slate, so I'm going to delete this default VPC, which will take just a little bit of time, and I'm also going to delete the auto VPC that I created in the last lab. We don't need either of them around, we just want a blank list. This takes just a little bit of time, so I'll speed things up. In your case, you could probably just continue with the lab while that deletion is happening. Well, alright. Now let's create our custom mode VPC. I'm just going to call this app VPC and scroll down to the subnets. I'm going to create a subnet in the US West 1 region, and I'm going to call it Oregon subnet. For the CIDR block, I'm going to give it one of the private IP address ranges that are defined by RFC 1918, let's say 192.168.0.0/24. And although private Google access and flow logs are definitely interesting things to consider in some circumstances, we don't need either of them right now. Private Google access just means that you can connect to Google services even without being able to connect out to the internet, and turning on flow logs would give us pretty detailed information about all of the traffic that's happening on this subnet. We're done configuring this subnet, so we can say done. Now, the dynamic routing mode doesn't affect this lab either, but we can set it to global just in case you ever connect a VPN to this VPC, because that way you'll more easily be able to access all of the subnets across the world. Well, this is enough for now, so we can say create. This takes a little bit of time to finish, but there we go. I guess we're done, right? We've just created our custom mode VPC. But yeah, that's really not that interesting. We have no firewall rules set. We have nothing using this VPC or subnet. So far, this is completely static and devoid of purpose. It's kind of meaningless, right? So let's put it to use. And we'll continue with that in the next video. So I'll see you there.